inero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Labors Day mwancho muri Getembe TV nche Catering Nyaboga wisoni makuru kuraso muna bo imenyererio Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ritukirigaria ritangani mutinyo gatano rituko Kenya na boigo ensengima ego chengera ritukoria bakore miremo eriri boigo rimanyikaine buna International Labors Day ritukoria rero nigo muraiwensi ya Kenya muske daktari wa Samoiruto ara umuyega gosara ari umuyega bogo chengera ritukoria bakore miremo rimanyikaine buna Labors Day rituko se umuyega korekana ase Chinsa mochire cha Uhuru Gardens omoche o Nairobi yega ne mojega bwomeronge 5 nomo korwa Kenya Jazz chagete go chengera ritukeriga omwakoria weriwe ya mochimikianda 50 nemo ni 1965 chinga kichecho nigo muraibwense aigerera emirobiro ya serikali.
Karibu. Asante kwaya. Thank you kwaya. Thank you.
And I want to assure you that no worker is going to lose their job. In fact, with the increased efficiencies, with better performance of these factories, we are scheduled to hire more workers so that we can drive our sugar industry. Our affordable housing program is another flagship initiative delivering real impact. By end of April, it had created 250,000 jobs spanning architecture, engineering, urban planning, masonry, carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, while reinvigorating local economies. The blueprint of our inclusive plan in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda is anchored on 5 key pillars: agriculture, micro and small enterprises, universal healthcare, affordable housing, and the digital and creative economy. I must stand here to thank the Kenyan workers from across the divide. You all remember that in 2022, we had challenges of food insecurity. We had challenges of inflation. We had challenges of exchange rates. I want to say and to report to the country that after 2.5 years, our Kenyan farmers have done a tremendous job. They have produced food. We have supported them. We increased our maize production by 40% in the last 2 years. We increased our production of coffee. We increased our production of tea. We have increased our production of sugarcane. And today, our import bill, importing maize.
Oikiranwa na barai abanene kuri serikali anene mono muri kyobwe kyombekere ky'abakore mirimo gia Central Organization Trade Union gose kotu Muske Francis Atwori muwaziri monene mensi ya Kenya Muske Musalia Mudavadi na boigo umuwaziri olepa Muske Dr. Alfred Mutua ukwana chinga kicho nigo abakore mirimo babori wakore mirimo yabo ase chinchira chibwe chikiranete na boigo kobeka umukia butambi ase egasi yabo yakira rituko.
This month the World Bank and the IMF released data that officially confirmed that out of the 55 nations on the African continent, Kenya's economy is the 6th largest in the entire Africa.
There are a few challenges impeding progress of the programs. For example, we have cartels and rogue agencies that are taking advantage of vulnerable Kenyans. We have fake news on low labor mobility pathways are being used to either mislead our youth or try to discourage them, and we are dealing with them. Your Excellency, workers are not slaves, they are workers, and must be treated with respect. Recognition of their human dignity is a right and must be safeguarded at all times. Workers must be paid rightful legal wages, including overtime, and treated fairly without discrimination, and they should also enjoy decent work conditions. Workers in turn also need to be obedient, faithful, and dedicated to their employers, because it is a relationship. Workers need to identify the few among them who steal from their employers and try to bring down the same business that are employing them. So we are going to ensure that workers and working conditions are set by the law and that people can go to work and work well.
And I want to show Kenyans that SHA is working. SHA is now working. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to support the managing trustee.
Ebiro bikego bitegarete eri Muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i achigo kore tara yaye yabene orogongoro gusi nigo abarundi chipikipiki gose abana boda boda kure kaunti ya Nyamira beso kire na komotogia Muske Fred Matiang'i anene mono ase ganga yogo chekorigia ekiroke buraiwense ase obochori boromoto bu mwaka 2027 ukwana na Getembe nigo abana boda boda bu bakwanira wakonga kubugima anene mono chinga kichiga chiaboniga na goteba nigo bago kere getambukiro kia Fred Matiang'i ase beso kina kumwakira koko na goteba nigo barache komwa okoboko ase oigange yayo kuri kiro kibura iwenze
akatuambia eti boda boda nitaisaidia boda boda mama mboga. Huyo mama mboga na atapepa wiliparo zake aenda huko. Si lazima tusaidie.
Chenga ne Matiang'i ndo chenga ache tenga kingi yabona. Ekiagero moire ekiororo sana ng'emyaka 3 amutige tenga kora korega sibona nari ache toro jo mutigire myake gakino ni tuntoro jina ga stay akorire amoga ko gache tebuya tigango toro ne bono emyake Ibere tigarete amusugume kabisa onya ta gokora na akora ntubono tuamuire mwa kori Matiang'i ro goikaranse
nambe ndanga ni mna boda boda tuamenyine njara kuro muntu yata tete binasera sera neze ni echiae tanya gwikira nikende gyonse gache taga togemba gembe gwiriparo ochiro akire mbuna boda boda 20 tete nasi Matiang'i 2027 niyo tena Matiang'i arali
epongesi anenda arugo cha Matiang'i tigagokorera morayo itego sorry twamwakira mabuta tokanetia tokorere bintu bya magenda ndutaite bina tuangaine tu myaka ya choche magaigana na ki watu wa boda boda muko wapi twataba notora abantu mama mboga muko wapi bata notora pone gere bintu chande gaiga obogi me borego amabuta 186 bago tongana na mabuta wone mabuta tanya ko unse no anya even na cent mabuta ko Nairobi yoka gusiga mabuta tai ko Matiang'i nere tomaite buno murai sai
Na ekero aborokia na boigo aboroki wa chiskuru baigoire chiskuru erigo tamya kabere bene nigo bono morokia omonene ku skuru ya sekondari ya Nyagonyi LCK egotoka Marani ebungi ya kitutu chache North County ya Kisii asereta Penson Oyaro agokere gitambukire kyo na goteba nigo barache okora omokia erigo chaka masoma bene asebono abodi ababotani koro asense meria ya sector HSM ko babwatise egokora amechando erase skuru eyo.
Thanks, Omar. Yes.
Twachakire tukabeke Ekeonga kuika umutinyo yogatano koera twakore syllabus ya form 4 tuansa mangana revision ina rembinu twatumite last year ikagere promote kwende mean score ito tukarukure mean score ya 4.0 tukaenda baka 5.2 na bono ase umwaka uyo tubugate Ekeonga tuike mean score ya bana mean score ya matema KCSE ya Isano Ibere 0.0 last year twalenge bukuira abana sabana balingi 59 abana 14 abana 14 bakanyora form university entry grades na bone tuwe metinga abana baitu bonse bare emia ya muna abana batatu once banyore mean score ya C+ kwenda igoro egere bajoini university ukatewa nene tutumiene ti weekend buya egere tukole syllabus mapema na nito revise buya egara wana once baito ende university eyende bone wa affect ya masomo maita ake eye wa affect school chinyinge ese sub county yeito ne elia abana ekere bajire rikisho kuira ne school kuire ngaki baira none kwiki mwana ataraje school yanyoria kuchakia masomo uronge uneta kire iyo nabona yerukinga na absenteeism na ende mono embesa ne affect candidates abana bali bekerasi ye 12 nekera bakora register matemu mwana go register ogenda
yo kore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere koro Getembe TV asenchira yo wenge Chinsa ikomine chikwera na gaiga ngoretera yo muna yanda mange asenchira yo wenge boigo Catering Nyaboga urisoni makori kuro asomo na hwe manyere kabano borigere borobuya.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati enda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yega kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongebe na Isano na Isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutarire rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ohuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Eskuru ya Advent Hope yigo tukasinsa mukiri cy'amariba nigo ekurwa amasomo asibirengo gucakira kirigense yani playgroup wika grade 6 asiskure yani go bwate obukoreri ao nabono mbabwate obukoreri bwa boarding ngurwa bali obusombi yani transport system computer ko curriculum activities egati obukoreri bonde obunge nigo bagutuka tsinsa mukiri cya amariba chimita 200 korasi bara ya Kisii Kilgoris asamange bakire esimigwetera se chinamba cyabo 0728906780 gose 0722135335 Advent Hope School Chinsa mukiri cya amariba anaurabi kuburusobya bumano ayirira
asaba leta kurupita kebuncha tatukera libageri kwakira bayibuli ngambia mono mwabere mogotwa abana kwikira bona igona topet kwenda sumutimoko na togo chake tamwigocha basabira bayibuli motoretera abana amabagati bari tonda mbugara make chibese togo sabani chibese chinke chire pocket friendly we are CBC compliant na abari ganirwensi ase Advent Hope.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tea Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amati yao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimelega je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwegoki nimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kiama mogusi Bombokla abasaibiki alikia makiaya Bono link up show ni kuja kulirwe mbauki gima kira litukuli Jumatatu weke Ijumaa kuchakira Chinsa Isano nebere chamo baso wika Chinsa 10 goro umrena nera Wizard Crown wakubwatana na DJ Topsha on ones and twos Ejwa kongolele emeziki Makwa showbiz Trending issues Namanginande Yekialeki makiaya Link up show Link up na sisi Kurwa sasama wika 10 gro Wiza Crown na DJ Topsha Imehe ya Getembe FM 102.7 Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tea Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amati yao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimelega je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwegoki nimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe gwetera ase Zuku Satellite channel number 033 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kiama mogusie.
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo cyobosongo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buya kigima na kobwamone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusia asa atambe twaberire gaiga sege Getambe korwa mwaka 2018 mugusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari ito ya nugapesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nugapesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
Nilitaria na igongoro kumera ni kwa